There are lots of great-looking RVs out there. Do you know which ones are highly recommended by current owners and which aren't? Well, RVReviews.net does, and so will you after reading their best-selling RV comparison guide. Their best-selling guides have been the industry standard now for over 10 years and are full of detailed and easy-to-read articles about all the top RV manufacturers in North America, as well as comparison charts, construction techniques, and buying tips. As an independent rated firm, RVReviews.net accepts no compensation from any manufacturer to promote their products, so you know their reviews will be honest and unbiased. Find out why thousands of RV buyers have trusted them to find their perfect RV. Well, this is the part where we're supposed to warn you about the potential side effects, but we assure you there will be no headaches, cramps, excessive sweating, rolling of eyes, or gnashing of teeth with the use of these products. Awesome vacations can be expected in most cases. For more information, find us on the web at www.rvreviews.net.